How you doing, guys? All right, Thunderstruck here, Thunderstruck Canuck. I'm testing a S8 Plus camera to see if it can make a dash cam. Let's try it out. I have a crappy post stand for it, or a dash cam stand, and it might fall, but I'm still trying it. I had the iPhone 7, and that did magically well. Now I have the, like I said, the Samsung S8 Plus, and we'll see if the clarity and the darknesses are good in the light, the snow, the road, and well, we just did the shadow. So we're gonna keep on going. Okay, now I'm heading to the wharf, and there's a lot of snow. It's quite bright, so we're gonna check it out there. Okay, well, the sun's down. Well, not sun down, it's just a cloud going overhead. So this is what it looks like between light and dark. Oh, I see at Tim Hortons. We are going to Tim Hortons. Oh, yes, we are. Oh, the car is kind of tight here. All right, yeah, kind of tight. Going to get my coffee, but first I gotta dump my other cup up that I had this morning. All right. Oh, I got stuck on the side. All right. Head to the wharf where there's a lot of bright snow. Oh, she's rough here though. Eee, look at the sky though. I find that the S8 has a beautiful color to it. Natural, not so much. A little bit enhanced, but it's beautiful. Okay, here we are at the wharf area. I don't know if my camera's gonna stay on. Oh, the stand really. So here, there's a lot of snow, a lot of white. We'll see if you can catch it nicely or not. So yeah, I'm driving here. It's like water both sides. Well, ice actually. It's not water no more. It's doing very well actually. It's pretty true to the color. And yes, so we're almost at the wharf here. See where they're turning around. I'm gonna have my coffee at the same time. Open the coffee. All right. Yeah, a lot of snow blowing this morning. That yeah, did some nice banks here and there, some drifts. All right, let's take a look at the bay here. Yeah, I can see all the ice. All the ice that went up from the waves as well. All right, well, hey, frig, that's awesome. I like the way it looks. Just gonna show you the little cabans here. Right over here. See if it picks up the red and the blue and the white here compared to the snow. Yep. Does very well. All right.